It's October 16, 2024. See, once again, God God sent me confirmation in regards to this situation, how these people, they need to leave black people. To I need to be left for my life. I have freedom in God, and they need to go about their business. You understand me? It says right here, a moderately strong earthquake struck eastern Turkey on Wednesday, causing widespread panic, officials said. No serious injury or significant destruction was reported. It says a 5.9 magnitude earthquake struck the town of Kale in Malatya province at 10:46 a.m. This is in eastern Turkey. So it hit nearby provinces, one in Diyar Bakir, one in Elazig, Sanliurfa, and Tunceli, as well as some parts of northern Syria. God is not playing with these people. I'm a messenger for the Most High. When God says something, people need to obey. He's not playing around. The Most High is not playing. Okay. Understand me? So, Justin, this is a wake up call for people like you to stop stalking people like me and pay off your debts to society. You can research it yourself. You can Google it yourself. It says there's an earthquake that occurred on Wednesday morning at 10:46 this morning in eastern Turkey. Isn't that where you're from, Justin? You must think God is playing with these people. God's not playing with these people. When God said, "Do not touch my anointed," he meant it for a reason. God's not someone to play around with. Now, Justin, you thought that's what Christianity was about? You think that's what spiritualism was about? Huh? Is that what you thought? Huh? I don't need you trying to block my resources or you trying to block my progress because my life has nothing to do with you. Do you understand me? My 24 hours is about me. The earthquake already set this morning in Turkey, in eastern Turkey. Bye, Justin. Bye.